Hello guys, this is me Sharon, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this cute coaster that is very easy to make. I have seen a diagram pattern online on Pinterest, and at the same time I will show you the link as well. In this project I have used a fingering weight yarn and a 2mm crochet hook. So if you use a bigger hook and a thicker yarn, you will have a much bigger coaster. But if you have a crochet thread, that would be much better because you will have the same size as mine. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to start, we're going to make a magic ring. So we're going to chain 3 first. 1, 2, chain 1 for the chain space. Then we're gonna work 1 double crochet and chain 1. So chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, chain 1 for the chain space, and we're gonna do that until we have about 8 double crochets and chain 1. So into the magic ring there should be 8 double crochets, then chain 1. So once you have 8 double crochets and chain 1, pull this yarn tail here, pull it tight, and then we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the third beginning chain. So 1, 2, 3, so round 1 is done. So for round 2 is we're going to chain 3. This will count as 1 double crochet. Now we're gonna work 2 more double crochets into the chain 1 space. So we have 1 and 2. Now we're going to do chain 1, and then into every chain 1 space we're gonna work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 1. So we're going to repeat that around until we have 8 groups of 3 double crochets and then chain 1 in between. Once you get back around, do not forget to chain 1 and slip stitch on top of the third beginning chain. So for round 3, we're going to work a chain 3, and then double crochet, but we're not gonna finish it, and we're gonna yarn over again and work another half finished double crochet into the next, and this time we're gonna work 2. So there should be 4 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through 4 loops. Now we're gonna chain 4, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 4, and then 1 double crochet into the next, 1 half finished double crochet, 2 half finished double crochet into the next, so you now have 4 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull all 4 loops. So that is going to be the repeat pattern. In between, we're going to chain 4, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 4, and then we're going to work 1 double crochet into the next double crochet. We're going to work a half finished double crochet into the next. So we're not going to finish the double crochet yet. We're going to yarn over and work 2 more into the next. So 1 and 2. Now we have 4 loops on your hook, and then we're going to pull all of those loops, and then we're going to chain 4, 1 single crochet into the chain 1, chain 4. So that is going to be the repeat pattern, and we're going to repeat that until we get back around. So once you get back around, you should have chained 4, and into the last chain space you're going to work your last single crochet, but you have to chain 4 again, and then slip stitch on top of the second double crochet. So this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so for round 4 we're going to work a slip stitch, and we're going to do that until we get to the second chain. So you're going to work a slip stitch into the first chain. So make sure that you poke a hole through the first chain there and into the second one, chain 1 single crochet, and then you're going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5 into the third chain, 1, 2, 3. You can now work a single crochet into this next chain, and then chain 5, and then work a single crochet into the next chain space, and we're going to repeat that until we get back around. And we can work a slip stitch to get to the middle, but there is another way in order to get to the middle before you end this round. So instead of chaining 5 there and slip stitching into the first single crochet made, we will just work 2 chains, and then we're gonna work a double crochet into the first single crochet instead. Now once we do this, this will make the stitch get to the middle of the chain space. That way we don't have to work a slip stitch to get to the middle into the next round. So for round 5, we're going to chain 1 and we're basically going to repeat what we did on round 4. So chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same chain space, and then we're going to chain 5 and then work a single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 5 and then work a single crochet into the next chain space. So we will just keep repeating that until we get back around. Okay, so once you get back around, work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet you made. But since we're going to repeat again, chaining 5 and 1 single crochet in between, we're just gonna work 2 chains, and then we're going to work a double crochet on top of the single crochet instead. So this will bring the yarn into the middle of the chain space, and that's how we're going to start the next round. Alright, so chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same chain space, and then we're going to chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next chain 5 space, chain 5, and then 1 single crochet into the next chain 5 space. So we're just going to repeat this until we get back around. Chain 5 for the last time, work a single crochet on top, a slip stitch on top of the single crochet, and then we're going to work a slip stitch into the chain 5 space. Well, not really slip stitch, but we're gonna work a single crochet there, chain 1, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, then 1 single crochet. So we're going to repeat that around. So into the next chain 5, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1 single crochet into the next. So we're gonna repeat that until we get back around. Alright, so once you get back around, you're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. In all the ends.